Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today we're gonna make some vegan smoked salmon and we're gonna use carrots. So when you season them right and you cook them for a while, yeah, yeah, he likes it too. Not real salmon, I'm sorry. Carrots, simple, super cheap. Way cheaper than salmon and healthier, plant-based. So, plant-based salmon coming right up. One more thing before we get started. You're gonna want some bagels and some vegan cream cheese. You can make your own cream cheese, I guess, but I'm lazy about it. This recipe will only take about 25 minutes. I know there's other recipes out there that are like super long and you salt the carrots forever, but we're not gonna do that. This is an easy, quick, 25 minutes is quick enough recipe for vegan lox or salmon or whatever you wanna call it. So let's get started. First step for this recipe is to peel the carrots. I peel off the outside before I make my peels that are gonna resemble the smoked salmon. The outside just has a little bit of a bitter flavor, so I like to get that off first. And then once you've got them all peeled, you can start making your little lox strips, if that's what you want to call them. So what I do is just press hard with my regular peeler, and it works out pretty well. It gets sort of thick strips, but if you got a fancy peeler that makes thicker strips, that's awesome too. And once you have all your carrots peeled, you'll have a giant mass of all your little strips. And you can give little random extra pieces to your dog. Add those to a bowl. I like using a wide, shallow bowl, just helps the marinade kind of coat everything a little better, but if you don't have that, it's okay too. I add in 4 tablespoons of low sodium soy sauce. This little spoon here is a 2 tablespoons, so I'm gonna add 2 of those. And I'm also using liquid smoke here, give it that smoky, smoked salmon kind of flavor. And the fishy flavor is gonna come from the nori. Some nori is more fishy than others, but any of them will do. You can also use kelp powder if you've got it. So I just crumble it up into little tiny flakes. And I like them as small as possible because I don't want like a giant chunk of nori on my bagel. And you can use half to 1 whole sheet of nori here, depending on how fishy you want your smoked carrot salmon to be. Give it a good mix, make sure it all gets coated with the soy sauce and the liquid smoke and the nori. Then add it to a lined baking sheet. You're gonna wanna cover this, so if you have baking paper, you can wrap it in baking paper instead. I just put another sheet on top of this because I don't have baking paper, and then you bake it in the oven for 20 minutes on 400 degrees. So as you can see, this is how I covered my salmon. And the outside got a little crispy, but the inside is perfect. Then assemble your bagel. I've added cream cheese to mine. Just simple, delicious, super satisfying breakfast, brunch, lunch, or dinner. My smoked salmon carrot is all done. Put it on a bagel. Let's see how it turned out. Oh my god, that's so cool. The nori actually makes it kind of fishy tasting. It's really good, guys. You should try this. It's pretty simple, easy to make, and really good. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this and more vegan meal inspiration. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!